Gerian Bert's Boher, which is just a really nice way of saying that the journey is shorter if you have someone else with you to chat with.
So my favourite Irish phrase will be Bealach na Síríochta, which is a way of describing dying, but it's to go through the way of magic, or the way of the fairies, to get to the other side. And I find that very lovely.
Dul in lek, which means to grapple with something. And I love that phrase because I think it really sounds like somebody having to struggle with something. So.
One of my favourite phrases is Inish le brí, and I just think it's hard to translate. It means kind of literally that you're in low energy, but it also has this kind of resonance of sadness. So when you say someone's Inish le brí, it just means that they're a little bit low or a little bit sad, and I just think it's a lovely way of saying it.
My favourite phrase is possibly one my mother uses, which is, and my mother isn't an Irish speaker, but she always says when she raises a glass, "Gmurmid bio an am sharish," and means that we may all be alive this time again.
I don't have such a favourite phrase, but I love the way things are coined in Irish. For example, I have a baby girl, and she's 14, 15 months, and cuireann she glinder orm or oran mish agus ma bhain céile, so it's like she puts wonder on us, which I think is a beautiful way of saying it, because in English you just say, oh, I don't know, what you'd say, like some American word like awesome or something, I don't know, which I don't like, and so I just love that it's, yeah, I love how it's spun. Or another one I heard the other day, which I really like, and again it's just a way of putting things, nach beagataile din ege is little to be done, and I just love the way it's constructed. Nach beagataile din ege.